All right, it is time to do CSS battle. Let's remember the timer today. Oh, just quickly, yesterday I had scored 140, which I was pretty happy with. The top score beat me by over 40 characters. It was ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't get how some of these guys think it's just astounding. All right, today we have this. Uh, I see this thing as mostly borders, or out borders, I think. Maybe there's an outline, but it's mostly borders. Background is going to be the lightest blue border. I'm gonna pick. hmm, I think I want to pick just the HTML. We'll see if that changes. Border. This color, it doesn't go first. 40 pixels solid for that color. That actually is wrong. 50, and it's different on the top and bottom. Of course it is. So we're gonna have to do border width. 55, 50. Okay, now start to select the body. That goes back to star. Border, solid, brown, border width. Why is it border width cascading? Oh, because I overwrote it. Okay. Uh, 20, 50, 80, whoops, 0. Margin 0, 10, 50, 80, 90. None of the widths are enough, so 30 and 90, 100. Okay, there's that thing. Now we need another thing. And we can see it up there. It's of course all wrong, but that's okay. I'm recording. So border width is going to be, the top can be 0, the right can be 0, the left can be 40, or bottom can be 40, that can be 40. Now it has to have something to give it some height. Yeah, and it's going to push the body down, of course, unless I have a height on the body. I don't know what it is. Let's call it 50. It's of course not tall enough. 80. That might be tall. That might be too tall. It's a little too tall. 70. Okay. Now this needs to be taller, of course. That may still push it down. 80. Nope. The bottom border's too thick. 30. This border is too thick. 30. Nope. It's just in the wrong place, maybe. Margin 0. Let's start there. Top shouldn't matter. 0. 20. Okay, now we're getting closer to something. Its height. It needs more height. 100. And these need to be thicker. 40. Nope. 30. That one needs to be 40. Now, how do we make that one taller? 10? Nope. 20 minus 10. What did that do? It pulled some of that. Interesting. Oh, it overlaps, doesn't it? It does, it does. Interesting. So, do we need to translate 10 pixels? That's not working because this doesn't have that. That looks like it will work, but it moved my stuff around. This goes back to 10. That still goes away. Why does that go away still? If I translate 20, does it go away? Yes, it still goes away. Because it's covering it because it has a background. That's why. It's inheriting background from up here. So can I just isolate, whoops, that? And get this to work? I don't know. Let's make this 20 again. That still doesn't push over. That might be it. That is working. This is a lot of code for this thing. Oh, it's been 8 minutes. 371. This is a lot of code. I say border solid a bunch. I don't know the answer to this. Where am I? 370, 366. So I say border solid, border solid, border solid, and then a color. I feel like it might be better to say border type solid here, and then just use color there. Does that not work without a border statement? Evident. Border type, border width, color. Interesting. That's probably not type, is it? Probably the style. Or style. There we go. If I just get it right, it works. All right. So there I say color, border. Here I could say color, brown. Here I can say color, dark blue. That's more characters. More characters to do that. Interesting. I mean, I can, of course, do this and get, I think it was 366 before. Now it's only 3 characters more. That's frustrating. Oh, 389. Oh, I'm wrong. Sorry about that. Okay. Margin. This doesn't have a margin. This 0, 10, 90. I think I can't get away without height there. No. But can I get away without that? Yes. Can't get away without that one. Border width. That one has to be there. Can I get away without some of these? Let's see. 0. That seems okay. Oh, no, it doesn't. Can I fix it with this? No, not that one. Nope. No, I don't remember what it was. That. Nope. Okay. Uh, I can't fix that, right? No, because it's getting bound by its parent. I mean, what if I got rid of margin completely? No. Gotta do width. I don't know what it is. 30 pixels? Maybe. Maybe that's better than translate. It is. Except I don't need pixels there. Yeah, I don't know. That's my first solution. Not in love with it at all. 216. Oof. Colors only used a total of 3 times. Border style, border width. I can actually variabilize, so I can say var W. I know if I have to do this, I did something poorly. Not a lot else I can easily get rid of that I can see. I'll identify and submit. There may be more. We'll see. I mean, the other thing that could happen conceptually here is this. So I'm declaring border width on everything. I could do something to get this bottom border on this to collapse. A font trick, something like that. And then rotate, scale, and change the color, which I'm doing anyway. I'm changing the color of everything. But then I could rotate and scale things in various things, or just adjust border widths with font tricks. Might work. Yeah. I might play with some of that and I'll do an addendum or something if I go down that rabbit hole. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. 6:55. Not very pleased with that, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.